Say hi. Yeah, you rolling over on Sissy. Say hi. Say hey, baby girl. Say hi. Don't kick the camera one. Don't kick the one with the camera. Make it all jiggle. Yeah. Don't eat his shirt. Where you going, Ryan? Oh. Now, Pumpkin, don't get in Sissy's face. Well, Haley, darling, what you doing, baby girl? What are y'all trying to do? Sissy's getting him. What are y'all trying to accomplish? See, what y'all trying to accomplish? I think they're looking at Vegas. So Vegas got a chew toy. See, we gave Vegas a chew stick so he'd behave. You talking to him? Say, hey, Big Goose. Say, hey. Look at that pretty girl. Hey, baby girl. Say hi. Say, hey, baby girl. So I know what'll get you smiling. I know what'll get the girl smiling. Yeah. There's your song. There's her song. Yeah. Hey, baby girl. Say okay. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Oh. Wish I could do that. Yeah. What you trying to accomplish, big boy? Huh? Hey, baby girl. Say hi. Say hi. Uh-oh. Ryan spit up. Say yeah. You feel better now, I think. I think so. Say all right. Here we go.